Welcome to Instant Cooking. To make best out of waste, today I am making watermelon peel masala. For this, we need watermelon. We are using only peel of watermelon. Just slightly peel the green portion of watermelon and cut them into small cubes. Coarsely peel them just to remove the green part. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, half a teaspoon of fennel seed. Cook it for 20 seconds. Add 1 chopped onion. Cook it till onion is pink. Now add 2 cloves of freshly grated garlic. Add half an inch of freshly grated ginger. Mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder or red chili flake. Now put watermelon peel. This is approximately 400 grams of watermelon peel. Mix it well. Watermelon peel has lots of moisture. Add salt. Cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, mix it well. Now add dry fenugreek leaf. Mix it well. Cover it and leave it for another 1 minute on low flame. After 1 minute, mix it and check your watermelon is done or not. Our watermelon is done properly. Now add dry mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it well and your best out of waste watermelon peel masala is ready. Thank you.